Ever fumbled with cash while splitting a bill with friends? Or struggled to get paid after a freelance gig? Imagine a world of seamless transactions, secure payments, and a platform built for the digital age. That's the promise of services like mamo. But with so many options out there, a crucial question arises: is mamo safe? Today, we'll dissect mamo security features, explore their regulatory framework, and unpack some user reviews to give you a well-rounded picture. So, buckle up, financially savvy friends, because this is all about keeping your hard-earned cash protected. Building trust, the pillars of mamo security. Mamo emphasizes security by design, meaning every aspect of their platform prioritizes safeguarding your information. Here's a breakdown of their key security features. Encryption galore. Imagine your financial data wrapped in layers of complex codes. That's encryption in action. Mamo encrypts all your account details, both while they're zipping through the internet, in transit, and when they're stored on their servers, at rest. Think Fort Knox for your financial information. Industry standard certifications. Mamo doesn't just say they're secure, they prove it. Independent third-party organizations evaluate their security measures and award certifications if they meet rigorous standards. These certifications demonstrate a commitment to keeping your data safe according to established best practices. DFSA regulation, a watchful eye. The Dubai Financial Services Authority, DFSA, acts as a financial watchdog, ensuring companies like mamo operate within a legal framework. This translates to user protection and peace of mind, knowing there's an external authority overseeing mamo practices. Beyond the tech, user reviews, and real-world experiences. Security features are impressive, but what do actual users say about mamo? We scoured review platforms to get a sense of user experiences. Here's what we found. Positive security feedback. Many users praise mamo's user-friendly interface and smooth operation. Several reviewers specifically mentioned feeling secure using the platform, highlighting the importance mamo places on user safety. Room for improvement. While reviews were generally positive, some users mentioned areas for improvement. A few reported occasional service fees and limitations when dealing with multiple currencies. It's always wise to familiarize yourself with any potential fees associated with a service before signing up. The verdict is mamo safe. Based on our analysis, mamo appears to prioritize user security. Their encryption practices, industry certifications, and DFSA regulation are strong indicators of a secure platform. Positive user reviews further solidify this impression. However, remember, no platform is foolproof. It's always wise to exercise caution when dealing with online transactions. Here are some additional tips. Strong passwords. This one's a no-brainer. Use a strong, unique password for your mamo account and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Be wary of phishing. Don't click on suspicious links or attachments claiming to be from mamo. If something seems off, contact mamo directly to verify. Stay informed. Keep an eye out for any updates or security notices from mamo. This ensures you're aware of any potential risks and can take necessary precautions. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and happy transacting.